Alright, let's settle it once and for all. Which operating system is the true king for tech enthusiasts? Aluminium OS, Fuchsia, or Orange Pi OS? First up, Aluminium OS. It's sleek, lightweight, and honestly, it feels like the Swiss Army knife of operating systems. You get a clean interface, solid security, and it's so resource-friendly, you could run it on a potato if you really tried. But a lot of its charm is in the niche. If you love tinkering, it's a dream, but you might find the app support a tad limited. Now onto Fuchsia, Google's mysterious baby. It's not just a redesign, it's a complete rethink of how an OS should work. It's built on Zircon instead of Linux, which makes it future-proof and super scalable. The performance, smooth as silk, and integration with other Google services is top-notch. But it's still new, so the ecosystem's a bit sparse and you might bump into the odd quirk. Lastly, Orange Pi OS. If you know the Raspberry Pi scene, you'll feel right at home. It's open source, endlessly customizable, and designed for tinkerers and DIY lovers. You can squeeze loads of performance out of cheap hardware, and the community support is surprisingly robust. The downside? It can feel a bit rough around the edges if you want polish over power. So, which wins? If you want polish, go for Fuchsia. If you live for customization, Orange Pi OS is your mate. And if you crave minimalism, Aluminium OS is calling your name. Let me know which one you'd pick in the comments, and why. Cheers for watching.